Now the next part that we are going to learn is probably the most important aspect of SQL, is called joins. What happens, this data set is not arranged, the whole data set is not arranged in one table. Let's say all, if we are talking about particular product information, complete product information will be in a particular table. Let's say somebody bought that product, somebody ordered that product. All the order information, when did he buy, what is the price he bought it, at what time he bought it, and what is the address, everything that is related to order will be in that order table. Now customer information, what is the customer age, what is the customer name, all the customer demographic information will be in the customer table. So the data will be arranged in different types of tables, basically in relevant homogeneous tables. The data will be stored. So not, I mean, you will not find whole data in one table, everything captured in just one table in as many columns as possible. That is not the way data is arranged. Data is arranged in form of different tables wherever it is necessary. Let's say this is products data, so it has product code, product name, product line, product sales, product vendor. So everything related to product, whatever you want about that particular product, you have the product code, product buying price, MSRP, everything is mentioned there. So anything that you want to know about the product, product table will have it. Then this is order data. So somebody bought that product, so what is the order number, what is the product that he has bought, so product code should be there, like somebody will be buying a particular product only, right? So what product he bought it, and then what is the quantity that he ordered, what is the price at which he is ordering, what is the order line number. So everything that is related to order will be in orders table. Only product code, that what product he has bought, will be in the orders table. But not all the, like, his order number is this is the product code, and nothing about product details are there in the orders table, because that is irrelevant. Orders table contain only information that is related to orders. Product table contains everything that is related to products. So this table contains everything that is on the products. This table contains everything that is related to orders. Only thing is that an order, you will order a product only, like you will buy a product only. So product code is given. Okay. So what is this join scenario? Okay. Let us suppose you have the order details. So you have the order details. Somebody has ordered this one, and this is the product code. What if I want to get the exact product details? Okay, for this orders table, I want to attach the product details as well. I want to give more details on this one. Let's say if this is the product code, I want to give the product name or product line, or I want to give at least few columns. Let's say I want to give the product complete name, product line, product description may be there, product vendor. Those details also I want to attach to this particular orders table. So this is orders table. In this orders table there is one product code. Based on this product code, I want to attach some more information about the product. Where can I get that? I'll get that in products data. So you have the product code. Based on that, you have to go to that products data table. From there you have to pick up some information and attach it to here. When you have to attach it, when this is matching with there, so basically you have to look for this particular product code, search in this product data table. If it is matching, then bring the remaining information, attach it to this one. That is what one scenario. Order details has the product code. We have the product code in the order detail. Okay. Product data has product details with given product code. So for every product code, we have the product details. Much more details, like what is the name, product line, everything that is related to that product. Okay. Can we attach all the matching product details from the products table to the order table? So can we attach all the matching, like whenever product code is matching, can we attach all the product details to the order table? Can we bring everything from here till here whenever this is matching? So that is one join scenario. So what we want to do, the resultant table will have all the order details. So definitely we want order details only for these order guys. Whomsoever has ordered, we want to give more details on the product. So we need everything from the orders table. So that is the right hand side table, and matching product details. Whenever this product code is matching, we will fetch the information from product code, then we will attach it. So this is left hand side table, this is right hand side table, and we want everything from here and matching values from here. We want everything from the right hand side table and only matching values from the left hand side table. Why only matching values? Because there can be so many products, we are not worried about them. Only for the products that customers have purchased, we want to show the details, right? So our right hand side table is what the important table, and left hand side table whatever is matching we will attach them. This particular scenario is called right outer join. Why it is called right outer join? On the right hand side table we want to take everything, and from the left hand side table we want to attach the details that are matching. So right outer join. So resultant table will have all the order details. Orders is the right hand side table. We have the orders table, and on the left hand side we have the products table. So everything from the orders table we want to take it, and then attach products table wherever it is matching. So all from right side table matching from the left side table. Whatever is matching from the left side table will be matched. This is called right outer join. Okay, so matching records will be populated, otherwise these fields will be left blank if there is no product code available in products table by some error or something. Like if there is no product code, then we will just leave that field blank. So basically the final table will have all the records from right hand side table and the matching details. So final right outer join will have all the columns, so column names will be completely added up. Only the records, everything will be there from the right hand side table. Matching records from the left hand side table will be there. So the number of rows in the resultant table is equivalent to number of rows in the right hand side table. Let me explain that once again. So the total number of rows in the final resultant table of this right outer join is definitely everything from the orders table will be there. So the resultant rows is equivalent to the number of rows in the orders table. Why? Because we are taking complete information from orders table and attaching matching information from the left hand side table. So the resultant number of rows will be number of rows in the right hand side table. Number of columns in the resultant table will be columns in table 1 and columns in table 2. And matching ID should be product ID, whatever is the unique ID based on which we can match. So this is how we write the code for right outer join. So let me explain you the code for writing the outer join, right outer join. So the way we should write is select star from products, that is our first table, or we will build it from scratch. Select star from classic models dot products. So that is the left hand side table. And what is the right hand side table? So there is some other keyword, I'll leave that blank for now. And what is the right hand side table? Classic models dot orders. So this is what the these are the two tables. This is left, this is right, and we want everything from this table. So we need to write right outer join right outer join this table on key value is on the key value, that is product code. So product code is there in orders table, product code is there in the products table. So on products dot product code equal to orders dot product code. So select star from this table, right outer join this table. Basically everything from orders will be picked up. So let us see what is there in orders first of all. Select star from orders. So orders table has order number, order date, required date, ship date, status, comment, customer number. Where is the product number? Okay. Anyway, and then what is there in the products table? Select star from products. So product table has product code, product name, product line, product, everything that is related to product. Now this orders table doesn't have the product number. If we don't have the key, then we can't really match and join them. It has order number and customer number. So the only table that we can actually join that with is something like customer number. We can get the customer information. So let's see. So this is the code. We will try to do some other type of, maybe let's see the customer details. Customers. So select star from customers. Yeah. So you have customers table has customer number, customer name, customer last name, etc., etc. So maybe what we can do is instead of joining it with products, let's join with it with customers. So you have select star from customers, right outer join order. So wherever there is this orders table, from there we are matching the customer number, customers dot customer number. Whenever customer number is matching, all that information we are trying to populate. Customers dot customer number, that is the join condition. Orders dot customer number. So classic model, select star from first table, right outer join the second table, that is our orders table. So this is the orders table that has customer number inside it. Whenever customer number is matching, this is our customer table that has customer information. Orders table has order information. The final table that we want is everything from the right table, right outer join, every order information. Along with that, we want to attach the customer information. How do we write it? Select star from first table, right outer join the second table, that is the important one, on customer number that we are matching it. So once I do that, now totally the output will have customer number, customer name, customer last name, customer first name, everything that is related to customer, and then orders, whatever is related to orders, order number, order date, required date, ship date, status. So these are all from orders, these are all from customers. So wherever the customer number is matching, that information will be populated, and number of fields are almost everything that is there in the customers, everything that is there in the orders, the fields will be added up, and whenever customer number, let's say 424, whenever it is matching, everything will be populated. So that is the right outer join. Now I would like to pause here. Any questions on this one? Right outer join, everything from the right hand side table and the matching values from the left hand side table. Any questions? Yep. So now you might think that not every time we might want, right hand side table only. What if we want everything from the customers table, only matching information from the left hand side table? So can there be left outer join with exactly the same one? Let's say, what if I put like this? What if I have orders table in the beginning? What if the scenario is this? I have orders table in the beginning. On the left hand side, I have the orders table. On the right hand side, I have the customers table. And I want every information from orders table, only matching information from the customers table. How do we do it? If I say right outer join, it will take everything from customers, only matching customer numbers will be added with orders. That will not make any sense. We want order information, everything from the orders, and only matching customers we want to add up, or we want to attach to this table. How do we do it? Yeah, left outer join, everything from the left hand side table, and then matching information from the right hand side table. So that is left outer join. So order date, everything that is there, customer number, and then customer number matching, everything is attached. So it's almost same as the right outer join. The only difference is we are taking everything from, I mean, the base table is left one. So that is what the left outer join tells us. So it's same logic as the right outer join. Only thing is that we are keeping everything from the left side table and we are attaching the information from the right hand side table. So the code is select star from left hand side table, left outer join with the right hand side table, and then the ID based on which we want to attach it. Then there is something called inner join. Let's say till now what we discussed is one table is kept as base. Let's say everything from orders table is chosen for sure. That means if the customer number is matching, then will get the information populated. If the customer number is not matching, let's say we have some customer number, the information is not available, still the line will come in the resultant table, because we want everything from orders table no matter what. There can be a scenario where we want only matching IDs, and if it is not matching, we want to drop it. For example, I don't want to show any information if their customer values or customer details are not present. Try to understand what is this exactly. Inner join means only matching records will be found. So till now, what we did, let's say if it is a left outer join, if there is a uh, key, let's say K1, if it is found in this table, then it will be populated, because this is, let's say, left outer join. If K1 is found, it is populated. Let's say there is a key K2, if it is not found, they are left as NA. So this and this both are there, because they are there from the left hand side table, we are doing left outer join. So everything this from this table is mandatory and it should be kept, because our rule was we want to give the order details and matching product details only. That's why they are called outer joins, because everything from one table is definitely surely taken. Okay, let's say if K3, if it is matching in the product details, the product details will come. If it is not matching, then the product details will not come. Whereas inner join means, let's say K1, if it is matching, the details will be populated. K2, if it is not matching, this overall row will be dropped. So we will not take this row in the final output. Why we are doing that? Maybe in some scenarios we don't want to show the information when it is not matching. Basically, if that data is not present in both the tables, we want to drop it, because we don't want to take it further, because our interest is in gathering the information that is present in both the tables. If K3 it is matching, then the information will be gathered and resulted in the final table. If it is not matching, even this row will be dropped. So that is called inner join. So only it will be exactly the same, the matching keys will be taken. So basically, if we write a query for inner join, it will be exactly the same. Instead of left outer join or anything, it will be inner join. So overall query looks the same, but only difference is whenever orders and customers, if this customer number is there in both the tables, then only the resultant table will populate that. If it is not there in both the tables, so that's why when you see the result, so everything that is matching will come, nothing. So earlier scenarios, there can be a scenario where 171 is not present in customers table, but still 171 will result in the final data set, because we are not worried about the customers or the right hand side table, because we were doing outer join. But now we will get everything that is matching or that is there in both the tables. That is called inner join. Is this clear, the concept of inner join? Inner join or the intersection. Then there is something called full outer join or the union. So basically we want the data from every whatever possible information that we have, we want the data for everything. So simply you can use something called union. You can select all the details from left outer join, you can select all the details from right outer join. So you do left outer join first, and then do left outer join, do right outer join, and then just do union. Basically, you have the complete information. When you do left outer join, you have all the information from left hand side table. When you do right outer join, you have all the information from right hand side table. When you do union, wherever whatever information that is there present in both the tables will come as one final table. So that is full outer join. So when you want complete information, you can use this option of full outer join. There is no direct full outer join in MySQL. You have to use something called union. It has two steps. Step 1, you do left outer join, right outer join, and then do the union. So those are the joins. Joins are very much important while you are dealing with SQL. If you have any question in joins, I will repeat once again. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you find any difficulty in understanding any of the joins concept. So this is a basic introduction to SQL that we discussed. Okay, MySQL is just one of the many databases that is available, and whatever we discussed in these two classes is just a very basic minimal introduction. It will just get you started with SQL, and as in SQL itself, like, is not a very big I mean, the introductory part or the analytical part of SQL is not very huge. Okay, it's very simple introduction, and it is very limited. But there are several other advanced topics like stored procedures, and SQL development itself is a different line. Okay, so we discussed only very basic commands in SQL, but these will get you started with data analytics most of the times, and with this understanding of SQL, you can handle the data, you can manage the data. Most of the times, this is sufficient for a data analyst. So we focused only on data manipulation language, and there is something like data definition language that is totally different ball game, and there are so many other commands. There are so many things like user access control, giving the server control, etc. That as a data analyst, we don't need to really worry about. Okay, if you really want to explore advanced functionalities in SQL, you can do that while performing the basic descriptive statistics and ad hoc analysis. We have used R for basic descriptive statistics. You can actually use SQL also, try to see whether you are able to uh, run these queries and find the basic descriptive statistics, frequencies, mean, medians, etc. Even by using SQL. So basically, when the data is inside SQL and when you have to handle multiple tables and summarize them or query them, then you can use SQL. So SQL is not a very big tool, but it's a kind of essential tool. While if you are a data analyst, you should know how to handle data as well. So that's about SQL. So I'll keep it open for questions. If you have any questions, please go ahead